This is the Osprey Heritage Scarab 30, and I've been using it as my gym bag for the last 6 weeks. All the pros and cons coming up in today's 2-minute review. The things I like about this backpack is that it has a big front panel that opens completely, and that was really one of the reasons why I bought this particular model. I also like the build quality and the materials. I wore this backpack as I walked through a huge rainstorm, and the contents remained completely dry. The backpack is somewhat comfortable. This model features a hip belt, which you can very cleverly hide away behind the shoulder straps for when you don't need it. That's a feature that I like. It also has a chest strap, but unlike many other backpacks, the clip on this chest strap does not have a whistle. You can adjust the length of the shoulder straps as well as the top of the straps to stabilize the load. Finally, there are also 2 big compression straps. The volume of this backpack is 30 liters, and this is all the equipment that I'm able to fit in there when I use this as a gym bag. The Osprey Heritage Scarab 30 has one big problem, and it is the zippers. It is difficult to open and close this bag. It's a little bit difficult to explain why, but the zippers always get stuck in the corners of the panel here. This doesn't happen with my other Osprey bag. Part of it is also the location of the compression straps because they often get in the way. But I think the main problem is that the corner at the edge of the panel there is just too tight. This is such a shame because the zippers on my other Osprey bag was one of the best parts of the design. A smaller problem, also relating to the zippers, is that the 2 main compartment zippers are exactly the same design as the zipper for the front pocket, and more than once I have accidentally grabbed the wrong zipper. So this is not a perfect backpack, but it is good enough, so I will keep using it. Find out more about this backpack with a link in the description below the video. And if you're going to buy it, I really recommend that you buy it on Amazon or some reputable seller. I unfortunately made the mistake of buying this directly on the Osprey website. This was a really bad experience. For example, the system didn't send me an email until they had actually shipped it the next day. And then when they shipped it, they used a very bad carrier that actually ended up dropping my bag on the other side of town. So I definitely would not recommend Osprey's own online store. So I have a link to Amazon in the description instead. For an absolutely amazing backpack by the same company, check out this video about the Osprey Farpoint 55. In that video, I explain the 3 best things about that backpack. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.